Alright, so here we are at Mammoth Mountain. I guess I'm gonna spend the hardest part of my day trying to find a parking spot. Good morning, everyone. John Chow here from johnchow.com, and I'm coming to you from Mammoth Mountain. It is ski week here. Well, it's ski week. Normally President's Day is only one day off, but apparently Sally's school has this thing called ski week where they give them, instead of giving one day off for President's Day, they get the whole week off, and families are encouraged to go skiing. Must be a private school thing, I don't know. But we have quite a few families here from Sally's school going skiing, and they chose Mammoth Mountain, so that's why we're here. Come on, let's go. Now this is a lounge. How's it fit, Sally?
Heavy, but it's good. These are like a pound.
That's some serious ski boots there.
It's like a pound and a half, probably. Maybe 2 pounds. I can carry like 5 times.
Alright, Sally, this mountain's a lot bigger than Big Bear, so you're gonna go faster. Trying to pick up the skis. Gonna have fun, right? Isn't this better than being in school? Right? Hey, isn't all the other school back in school?
I don't know.
Yeah, but you got ski weekend.
School might be out.
Normally this place is packed, and during the President's Day long weekend it was, but now that President's Day is over, the place is dead. It's just Sally and her friends going skiing. Like she has the mountain all to herself virtually. Some of you may be wondering, why is Sally skiing and not snowboarding? And the answer is, I really don't know. Sally,
Tighten this.
why are you skiing and not snowboarding?
It's mommy.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Mommy want you to ski, not snowboard, huh?
Sure. I don't know. Dad,
You don't
you
know.
could tighten this.
Whatever, right?
Tighten this. Tighten this.
Okay, I'll turn it for you. This is great. Like, there's so much space available to ski by yourself on a mountain. Sally will have no problem. She's not going to hit anybody because, frankly, it's not that busy. Great idea for the school to have a ski week instead of doing it over the weekend. This is a map of the Mammoth Mountain, the various runs. They're color-coded. Basically, the green circle are the easiest, and the most difficult are the double black diamond runs. And they have names like Hangman's Hollow, Wipeout Chute, and Dragon's Back. So you better be a pretty good skier to handle those ones. What, Sally?
You know that? That's a lift for the little kids, and instead of sitting on it, you just hold onto the thing and it pulls you up.
The temperature right now is supposed to be 20 degrees, but it doesn't feel like it. It's not too bad. It's cold, but you know, it's not like, oh my God, I need a hand warmer kind of cold. Sally and Christina are starting their private lessons. You're gonna start your lessons now, right?
Yeah. I'm waiting for my guide.
Tell your instructor to take you to the double black diamond run. Yes, you can do it. Double black diamond. Tell the teacher, tell the instructor you don't want double black diamond, you want triple black diamond.
No such thing.
No such thing? Yeah. Christina has her own private lesson with an instructor, and Sally also has her own private lesson with an instructor as well. Apparently she says, I don't want a group lesson, I want an instructor all to myself. So, yeah, okay. There you go, Christina. Wait, what is Christina's skiing level, Sally?
She's a beginner. She's never skied before.
Oh, she never skied before. Okay, so that will explain why you don't want the same instructor as her.
I mean, ski is pretty easy to learn, so she might be able to go with me tomorrow.
Oh, okay, that'll be good.
And then 345.
Yeah.
Right back here.
Yeah.
Good for you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Have fun, Sally.
See you soon.
All right, so Sally is now doing her ski lessons. She'll be finished at 3:45. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna head over to Vaughn's and pick up some necessities for the cabin, like saran wrap and some food for dinner tonight.
Teslas are free, right?
Tesla charges are always free, yes. LA, the Vaughn's. Let's go get some
Take
groceries.
the next left toward Old Mammoth Road, then turn left.
I'm already here. Someone's for Google Maps. I think Vaughn's has like the monopoly on ski resort grocery shopping. There's no Safeway, there's no Whole Foods, there's no Albertsons, there's no Ralph's nearby. Only Vaughn's. Wow, you really are up high. It's all puffed up. I guess you don't know how high up you are until you see this thing like that. Yeah, I believe Mammoth right now we're almost like 8,000 feet above sea level. This is hilarious. Everything that's wrapped in plastic is all puffed up. Look at this. That's great.